Welcome back, y'all. We're here with Waco Family Medicine Cooking Fresh with another great recipe. These recipes are designed for our patients who are participating in the prescription program and also those who are just on a budget or getting food from pantries. So today we're going to show you a black bean and corn salad, and we're going to show you how to use it in 3 different variations. Okay, for this recipe, we're going to use black beans, corn, we have some diced tomatoes and red peppers, jalapenos, cilantro. We're also going to be topping this off with some fresh avocado and cajota cheese. Our dressing is simply made of olive oil, lime zest, and garlic. And then we have salt and pepper to taste. So let's mix this together and then we'll show you the variations. So we're adding our black beans, corn, our diced red peppers, petite diced tomatoes. Boy, that looks good already, doesn't it? And we're gonna add in our dressing. And you can add in red onion into this or whatever type of onions you like. And then we'll just do a little salt, a little finishing salt, and a little pepper. So you're just doing that to taste right at the end. I'm gonna put it in our fancy bowl. And you can serve this as a side salad, a main dish. And let's just sprinkle it with some of our cajota cheese. And top it off with some cilantro. So there you have it, black bean and corn salad with avocado and cilantro. Some other variations that you can prepare with this simple recipe is you can make a soup out of it by adding vegetable or chicken stock. You can even enhance it with a whole grain like quinoa or brown rice. It can be served hot as a side with tamales or roasted pork and Spanish rice. You can also make tacos with this and serve it as a taco for Taco Tuesday. This recipe is very versatile. It can be served hot or cold, and you can use it to enhance your menu in a lot of different ways.